Ito na po yung regalo niya.
Wow!
What's that? What's that?
Tama ba?
What's that?
Wow!
Wow!
Meron, that's for David.
What's that? Tingnan mo yung anak ko, ma'am. Mas gusto niya pa yung mga book kaysa laruan. May nakita na kaagad? Asan? Ay, grabe oh. Nag-thank you ka? Wow! Biblical yan ah.
You take good care of it, okay? That's your first Bible. Ano?
Opo. Saan si Jesus? Magaling yan mag-prayer. Pag di ako nakaka-pray,